Do you ever just get hungry for something and want to make it and eat it? That recently happened to me. I was wanting some chili, and it's hot here in the desert. It's summertime. It's probably hot where you are too. And I thought, do I really want, a bowl of chili? And I thought, yes, I do. So I'm going to show you how I make my 4-can chili. It's very easy. Guess how many cans you need? Go ahead, guess. If you're game, stick around to the end. I'm going to show you what I made with one of the cans. Today I'm going to make my 4-can chili. I use canned chili to start with. I don't eat a lot of meat. I don't want to cook meat from scratch. So when I make chili, I just use a can of chili to start with. Then I use 2 cans of beans, and I have 1 can here that I drained, so I'll put those in. And then the ones, those were pinto beans. This is mild chili beans, so I'm just going to pour the juice and everything in, but I drained the pinto beans. And I have a can of Rotel Mexican style lime and cilantro, diced tomatoes that I'm going to add the whole can. And with the chili already seasoned and the Rotel and the chili beans, it might be enough seasoning, but I will put the pan back on the heat. That's my favorite burner right back here. I don't know why. I don't know if you have a favorite burner, but that's mine. So I'm going to just stir this a little bit. I don't want to mash the beans or anything, but I will give it a quick stir, and then I'm just going to let it simmer to let everything incorporate. And I'll turn the heat down, and I'll put the lid on. So I will show you how I eat it a couple different ways. This will last me probably 4 meals, and it's pretty inexpensive. The chili was from Walmart. I think it was $2. The 2 cans of chili, or the 2 cans of beans, the chili beans and the pinto beans, were about 80 cents each. And the Rotel I got on sale for $1 a can. So 3, 4, $5.60 approximately. And I will use some sour cream and cheese on my chili when I eat it, and I may have some crackers or something with it, tortilla chips. This would be good on nachos. That would be good too. So I'll just show you a few different ways that I end up eating it. I let the chili simmer together, and I added a little water because it was very thick. So I'm going to just have a bowl of chili today, and then I will show you the different ways I have leftovers. So here's my bowl of chili, and I'm going to add some sour cream. Stir in the whey that gets separated. And I'm going to put a big old dollop on there because I love sour cream. So this is going to be my meal, and I'll give it a try. Okay, here's my bowl of chili. I'm going to give it a quick try. It's very good. The Rotel with the diced chili peppers, it gives it a very good flavor. It's not hot, it's a little spicy, but I got the mild version. So if you like a little bit of spice, that's a great way to just spice it up, or leave it out. You could use regular tomatoes with no seasoning, just tomatoes. To me, this is a little better, the tomatoes alone. make it a little too tomatoey for me. But this was a small can, and with the seasonings, I think it's perfect. I'm going to show you today how I'm going to use my chili that I made, my 4-can chili, in a new way. I'm just going to cut open this baked potato that I did in the microwave, and it's kind of a small one, but I only have a couple left, and this was the bigger one. So I'm going to open it up, and I've heated the chili in the microwave. Just put it in a bowl and heated it up. And I'm just going to pour the whole thing over my potato. And I'm going to add this cheese. And that is going to be my lunch. So, I've had it in a bowl with sour cream. And now I'm having it over a baked potato with cheese. And I have lots left. So, hopefully I'll be able to show you one more way I'm using my 4-can chili, because I will end up eating it all. It's just nice to show different options of how to use it. This is another way I'm using some of my chili that I made, my 4-can chili. I'm just going to have a small bowl with some melted cheese on top and some tortilla chips. And I could make this into nachos, but I'm just going to dip the tortilla chips into it. It's a little neater that way. Nachos can be very messy, and so this is a good option. So, wasn't that easy? I love making my 4-can chili. I've also made 3-can chili. You know, you can mix it up, do whatever you want. It's so simple. I've even made it without using chili. I just use beans and tomatoes. And then, you know, spice it up a little more, and it's delicious. Whatever you want to do is fine. But I like these easy, inexpensive recipes that, you know, they do the trick. And this one made quite a few meals for me. And I did promise at the beginning that I would show you what I've used one of the cans, and I made something. A little Rotel guy. This is a tin can man or person or gal, whatever you want to call it. And I used the Rotel can, and I used all 4 lids. A little wind chime. I put a little hat on him. I keep junk. This is all just junk. I didn't buy any of it. I might have bought the wire here because this looks pretty new. So sometimes I buy wire at a thrift store when I see it cheap. I don't buy it like at the hardware store. The beads were, you know, thrifted or left over from something else. So if you want to make one of these, I'll put a video up here, like over there or over there, up, I don't know where it's going to be. And you can learn to make one yourself. It's so simple. So I hope you liked the chili recipe. And let me know if you're going to make your own 3 or 4-can chili, and if you like it. Or is this just weird? I'm a weird cook, I'll admit it, but I like it. If you like it, then it's good. So thanks for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I will see you next time.